Jaime sits at their desk, looking excitedly at their laptop. A holographic cat, Crypto Cat, materializes beside them, looking smug. Look at those gains, baby. Up 20% overnight. The future is purring. Another hologram, a serious-looking wallet named Wallace, appears. You said that last week, right? Before your future fell 12%. A third hologram, a bright, shiny coin named Penny, pops up. Numbers. Schmumbers. What matters is that we're dreaming big. Crypto Cat flicks his digital tail. Dreamings for fiat users. We're decentralized destiny now. A notification sound dings from the laptop. Jaime leans in, squinting. Cat, did you just buy something called Meowcoinzilla? What? No, that's not. Wait, that's not me. Crypto Cat's hologram flickers and glitches. Oh heavens, did you just get hacked? Impossible. I use two-factor authentication. Yeah, but you texted your seed phrase to yourself labeled secret but cool password. That was ironically labeled. The lights in the room flicker red. Crypto Cat's hologram starts glitching wildly. They're in. Someone's in my wallet. They're moving my Doge. Wallace pulls his straps tight like suspenders. Everyone stay calm. I've trained for this. Step 1. Freeze all spending. Step 2. Pray to the central bank. Wait, don't they not control crypto? I said pray, not expect miracles. How do we stop a hacker in the blockchain? We can't. The blockchain never forgets. It's like an elephant with Wi-Fi. Jaime frantically clicks, opening a support chat window on the crypto exchange website. A loading wheel spins endlessly. Still loading. Still loading. Maybe it's verifying your hope. Hope has poor upload speed. An automated message finally pops up. Hi, I'm Coinbot. How can I not help you today? It's a bot. Crypto Cat glitches violently. Knew they've replaced humans with code. Wait, I am code. Irony level catastrophic. Penny wheels over to a whiteboard and starts scribbling. Okay, we'll create a new wallet. Move what's left. Change passwords and install. What do they call it? Multi-cat authentication. Multi-factor, not multi-cat. Oh, then what's the one where you make a cat scan your QR code? That's just weird, guys. Focus. How much did we lose? Crypto Cat's ears drooped. Let's just say my liquidity is minimal. Everyone falls silent. The laptop screen shows the account balance, 0.003 ETH. Well, at least it's something. That's roughly the value of one expensive latte. Then we're back in business. Crypto Cat looks down, defeated. I used to be a digital lion. Now I'm a stray file. Hey, you'll bounce back. You're resilient like the market after a scandal. Yeah, but maybe next time I'll diversify into catnip futures. Later that night, Jaime is busy setting up new security protocols on the laptop. Okay, lesson learned. No sharing passwords, no meme coins, and no downloading random cat-themed NFTs. Crypto Cat mutters under his breath. But they were so cute. Discipline, cat. Fiscal responsibility is the new cool, and optimism. Don't forget optimism. Fine. But if I see one more airdrop opportunity, I'm clicking it. Nitrogen monoxide, looking directly at the camera, sips from a saucer of virtual milk. Moral of the story, kids H, ODL, your dignity, not your passwords. And that's a wrap on our little crypto catastrophe. If you enjoyed watching Crypto Cat learn a very expensive lesson, do us a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to see what other financial shenanigans we get into, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. We had a blast making this for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.